guys, welcome to Gardening with Friends. I'm very excited about today's project because I'm going to be adding more plants to my garden. I know for some of us, less is more. Not for me, not for plants. I think I found this area perfect spot to add a few more clematis. See, I have a few hydrangeas here, and maybe this time we can go vertical. I already have clematis in my garden, which I planted several years ago behind azalea bush, and it's nicely climbing azalea as well as trellises, and I'd like to have more in my garden. I'm really excited to do so. I got these trellises, and I like them because they're narrow. I want to do wall mounting so they can be put on the ground. They're a little flimsy though, and they may require some work before we're going to put them on the ground. To reinforce flimsy trellis, we decided to use this stake, plastic stake. So I'm just going to drill a hole here in the middle to put the stake in. Okay, so now we have these two plastic stakes installed, and let's just see if that will help to reinforce trellis. And Marcus, of course, showed up to keep us company. Now we have all trellises installed, and I really like how it looks. And now we're gonna put clematis in soil. Planting all done. These guys are really tiny. I hope they'll grow, and can't wait to see them grow. Or if not, I'm gonna have to replace them. These do grow. Clematis is really taking just in a few days a nicely climbing trellis and forming new stems and buds. And the baby one made its first climb and happily hugging the trellis. And this one forms flower buds as well.